trade agreements?
Yeah, China has maintained 14 free trade agreements with these countries. It's Maldives, Georgia, Australia, Korea, Switzerland, Iceland, Costa Rica, Peru, and Singapore, New Zealand, Chile, Pakistan, and
Other Asian.
yeah, the other Asian countries. It's a union. Yeah, it's a union.
So it seems like there's like a lot of agreements. Obviously, there's the news going on right now with the China and U.S. trade talks. Just announcement after announcement between your president and our president. Hopefully, sooner than later, the countries will come to an agreement. But in the meantime, just as a U.S. custom broker and freight forwarder, we've seen an influx of shipments. A lot of companies trying to get their inventory in before they're taxed with the new 25% tariff that has been announced. There have been a lot of product exclusions. There have been 5 announcements thus far on list 1. They're undergoing the process for list 3 right now. And hopefully the talks will lift a lot of that. So me personally, I foresee that there will be an agreement in the future. I just don't really know when. And I've been following this very closely for over a year now.
Yes, because this talk it began for the past year, for last year. And it lasts for 1 year already. But we also hope that we can have an agreement for both countries and to increase the tariff for both sides. It will be helpful for the international trade. And I think it will be very good for the 2 countries, peoples as well.
Yeah, and I did just see in the news also that there has been an exclusion process started in China for the U.S. imports coming into China. There is an exclusion list for some of those products as well.
Yeah.
So that's also been announced. So they're working on something. So
yeah, just like play games. Yeah, just like
yes, exactly.